You must be knowing what is the quantum of the foreign exchange reserve India has. But do you have any idea for what period of time it will be good enough to pay our import bill? Second thing, what is happening to foreign portfolio investment in India and foreign direct investment? Is India attracting a lot of FDI? Why I am mentioning this FDI and FPI here? Because ultimately these are contributing into the building of forex reserve. See, there is a decline in the import. There is also moderation of export, but because there is a sharper decline in the import and this resulted in the lower trade deficit. Our service export remained robust. Service export, important one here is the IT thing. Companies like TCS, Wipro, HCL, Infosys, all are working for other companies in US, and this service export reached to $341 billion, a new height. And also private transfers, that is the money coming by the individuals, those who are working abroad as a remittance, that grew to 106 billion. Current account deficit therefore remained only 0.7% of the GDP. Last year it was 2%. So improvement on the current account deficit side. And FPI, foreign portfolio investment, grew. Net foreign portfolio investment $44.1 billion because of the optimism surrounding India's growth story, progressive policy reforms, stable economy, fiscal prudence, and attractive investment avenues in India. As far as we talk about FDI inflows, net FDI inflow declined from 42 billion last year to 26.5 billion. There is a slight increase in the gross FDI. I am not asking you to remember all these numbers, but you have to understand the story very, very well. These are going to be very, very helpful when you are writing the descriptive answer. Multiple choice questions can be easily built on these very useful information for topics related to ESI and sometime maybe in the financial awareness part. If you feel this is useful video, please like this and subscribe to the channel. Please remember, we are here to make your job preparation 50% faster.